Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Mindful Folks. Today we will discuss about mastering respect, strategies to command respect in any situation. Respect is like the glue that holds good relationships together. To get respect from others, you need to use some smart strategies that work in any situation. So you have to follow simple few strategies in order to get respect everywhere. Number 1, be yourself. Imagine you have a superhero power and that power is being yourself. People respect you when they see the real you. It's like saying this is who I am and I am proud of it. Number 2, care about others. Picture respect like a friendly handshake. When you care about how others feel, it's like giving them a warm handshake. Ask about their day, listen to what they say and show that you care. This makes them see you as a kind and friendly person. Number 3, go with the flow. Imagine life as a river and sometimes it takes unexpected turns. Being okay with change is like having a good boat to sail through those twists and turns. When you are flexible and go with the flow, people appreciate your easygoing nature. Number 4, be a good leader. Think of respect like a teamwork game. If you are a leader, treat your team like superheroes with unique powers. Acknowledge their strengths, help them shine, and everyone will see you as a great leader. It's like being a coach of an awesome team. Number 5, find the right balance. Imagine respect as a seesaw. On one side, you are confident and sure of yourself. On the other, you are humble and ready to learn from others. When you find the right balance, it's like making the seesaw perfectly level. People admire your confidence but also appreciate your down-to-earth attitude. Number 6, be a supportive friend. Respect is like a friendship bracelet. Help others when they need it, share what you know and support them. Being a good friend makes people trust you and look up to you. Number 7, show your true colors. Think of authenticity like wearing your favorite t-shirt. Just be yourself and let others see the real you. It's like saying I'm genuine and I don't pretend to be someone else. People respect you more when they know you are real and authentic. Number 8, speak the truth. Honesty is like having a superhero. The power of truth when you speak the truth is like shining a light in a dark room. People appreciate knowing they can trust your words. It is as simple as saying what you mean and meaning what you say. Number 9, keep your promises. Honoring promises is like building a sturdy bridge. When you say you will do something, it's like laying down strong bricks for that bridge. Completing what you promised earns you respect because it shows reliability and trustworthiness. So, to command respect in any situation, wear your authenticity, proudly speak the truth, admit mistakes and learn from them. Keep your promises and share your thoughts. Like adding extra layers to the strategies, making your path to earn respect even stronger and more genuine. If you are new to this channel and you like the content that we provide, then don't forget to subscribe, share and